Noah here with Holy Grail Steak Company, and I'm going to show you the easiest steak in the world to cook. This is authentic A-5 Japanese Wagyu. I know what you're thinking. Sounds intimidating. Don't let the name fool you. This steak starts out so good, the less we do to it, the better. This is just so packed full of flavor, and you can see just the marbling on that meat is incredible. All we're going to do is pat it dry, dust it slightly with salt and pepper, and I mean ever so slightly. This doesn't need much. Then we'll let it set for about 5-10 minutes, sear it off, 2 minutes on one side, 3 minutes on the other, let it rest, and it's done. That's it. No tricks, that's all you need to do. You really want to be light with these seasonings. So the steak has had a chance to rest. Look at that marbling. So that's it. The easiest steak in the world to cook. Authentic Japanese A5 Wagyu from Holy Grail Steak Company.